we're gonna check out the Ajrak. Is there anything more Sindhi than the Sindhi Ajrak? I mean, these beautiful patterns and this beautiful print is famous pretty much all across the world, and it is from right here in Sindh. I want to show you today how the Ajrak is actually made, because the process is pretty incredible and eye-opening.
And here we are at the Latif Ajrak Center, and these are the stamps, all handmade. This is where it all begins. These stamps are the things that the artists use to create intricate patterns on all the Ajraks that you see in the markets. And yes, all of them are made by hand, step by step, one step by another intricate step. The entire process takes about 40 days to complete. Would you believe that? So much work goes into a single Ajrak.
All the dyes that are used in this process are natural, and this may look like a piece of coal or something like that, but actually this is indigo stone. I mean, that's what we've just called it now. It's probably called something completely different. But this, when liquefied, is what gives the Ajraks, some Ajraks, their blue color. Who would have thought?
Eventually, they are all hand-dyed in different colors, with the indigo stone or with other colors. All natural dyes, and then dried out in the sun until they become just like this.
This is the final product. This is what they actually look like once they're made. And look at this, they just come in all these incredible, vibrant colors. I'm not sure which one I want. I want to get all of these actually. Blue, the traditional red, then there's this black one with a dancing girl. It's pretty amazing. Beautiful, no? So these are actually made out of cotton, so this is the very traditional Ajrak. You know what, I think I'm gonna splurge here, to be honest. This all looks so beautiful. I'm gonna get some gifts for my family.
And so, equipped with about 10 new Ajraks and a ton of new knowledge about how they are actually made, I was ready to move on to the next piece of craft here in Sindh.
The incredible thing that I just simply didn't